So the home page that is set right now by default is bing.com. How do I know it? Is because when I click home, it opens up bing.com right here. But let's say I want to go around and change the home page to something else. In that case, I can go around onto the three dot button right here, and then I can go around over here onto settings. And once I do that, I can go around onto the start home and new tabs area. And over here, you can see that the home page right now is bing.com. Let's say, for example, I want to change it out over here onto something else like wikipedia.org right here. So I can just go around and change around the address and click on save. Once I do that, now if I were to go around and click on the home button, you can see that it goes back to Wikipedia page right here instead of going to bing.com. I can also choose to open up a new tab right here when you actually click on the home button. So if I were to go around and click, then you can see that it goes back to the new tab option right here instead of opening up a particular page. So I'm just going to go around and set it up onto, let's say, for example, bing.com again. So let's just go around and set it out and click on save. And once I do that, now if I were to click on home, then it goes to bing.com once more, just like that. And that is how you can change the default home page inside of Microsoft Edge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.